Hey loves, what's up? So by the title, you already know what we about to cook today. Some quick, some simple. Okay. I'm finna turn the camera around. I'm finna show you what all you need, what I'm using. Take or add whatever you feel is necessary. But friend, you already know what time it is. Okay, so I got my skillet out and I got this one out, okay? So I just got some steak, I got some broccoli cuts, I got some olive oil, some beef broth, some light brown sugar, some cornstarch, we got our garlic, we got our ginger, I'm gonna add some pepper flakes, and we got onion, okay? So that's all you need. Like I said, take or add what you need from it, okay? Alright, girlfriend, so what I did, I just washed my meat. You know, you got to wash your meat, okay? Wash it however you see fit. And I am finna to cut it up in those little strips. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of the cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of the, this recipe calls for soy sauce, but this the same thing. And we're going to put in this bowl, okay, y'all? Alright. Alright, girlfriend, so we washed our meat up, right? Okay, you got to wash that meat, do it however you see fit. And I have cut the steak into strips, okay? And now I am about to add some of this cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to take some soy sauce and do 2 tablespoons of that. And we're going to put it in this bowl and mix it up. And then we're going to get ready to hit the skillet, okay? Okay. Smile of it. Yeah, I'm my own cameraman, so you got to forgive me. I'm gonna measure it. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Some dripped out. Okay. Okay, y'all, we have mixed it up. So now what we're gonna do, we're going to turn our eye on. I'm going to do it on medium heat and let that warm up, okay? Okay? You ready? So now we put it in this hot skillet. And we're just going to let it fry, cook. So to get done on each side, but we're not going to overdo it, okay? Okay, girlfriends, so I went ahead and washed this, okay? So now we got the onion, and we are about to cut this up because once we get done cutting that and the meat is cooking, we're going to add this onion. So go ahead and chop your onion up right about now. Okay, so here's the onion. Okay. And we're going to jump over here. And we're going to, hold on just a second. Alright. Just checking on it. Still got a little pink to it, so we're going to keep going. Okay. And got my olive oil over here ready to go. Okay, y'all, so just stop done stirring up. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take it out, put it in the skillet, not on. Remember, we don't want to burn them. Or as we say in Mississippi, we don't want to scotch them, alright? Yes, I did check the inside. so hard trying to be your own cameraman. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more olive oil to put in here. Okay. Here's my onion. Okay. I did clean this pan. Okay. So we're going to let those simmer down a little bit. Alright. So as you can see, you can put it down. So now we're going to go ahead and add us a little broccoli to it, okay? Alright, girlfriends. I know my cameraman coming through today. Next, we're going to work on the sauce. I got another bag to add, okay? Just stir it up. Alright, the second bag has been added. Add me a touch of olive oil. Just a little bit. Right. Oh, yeah. Alright. Y'all ready to start the sauce? See if I can get my camera set up today. Okay, y'all. So, what we did, trying to let this finish cooking down. I turned my eye down a little bit, but still too hard to let that cook some more. Turn my eye up a little bit. This needs to cook for a few minutes because you gotta let that broccoli soften up some. You can still have a little crunch, but you gotta let it soften up some. Okay. So now we're gonna start on this sauce. So here's the beef broth. So I'm gonna do a half cup of that. I'm gonna do a little bit more, just because I want the flavor. Now I'm out of soy sauce, but you need at least a few tablespoons of this to taste. Okay. Take a tablespoon of cornstarch. Take 3 tablespoons of this. Open it up. little ghetto, y'all, but anyway. 2. Okay, that's enough. So now I'm gonna add a little minced garlic. Gotta taste the garlic, okay? My red pepper flakes, I'm just gonna add them in over here. A little spice to it, okay? And then we're gonna open up. This is some ground ginger. Cup shapes. Okay. And we just gonna stir it up. And so while this is stirring, we'll let our vegetables still kind of simmer down, and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so we tasted the broccoli. It's soft crunch enough for us. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the sauce. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this back. Stir it up and let that cook down for a little while, a few minutes. Okay? Then we'll come back. Okay, y'all, girlfriends, we done added everything. Like I said, this is me mixing it up. I'm gonna give that garlic and stuff a chance to kind of cook a little bit. That's just what I prefer. I'm gonna let this cook a few minutes, like I said. But basically, we are done. You know, of course, it's still season to taste. Add and take what you want. But other than that, girlfriend, do your thing. And, you know, just let me know how it turns out. All right, bye.